crisp that one. Welcome back to Paul and Benny. I'm Paul, and today we're making some cheesy chicken nuggets. They're keto, but we're not keto. They're chicken nuggets with cheese. I don't know, they look really good. Let's try this. We've got some chicken, an egg, and some cheese. We've got garlic, onion, black pepper, and some non-stick spray. And our chicken's been drained really well. In goes the cheese, in goes the egg, and let's season it up. I'll put the amounts in the description below, but you can really do as much or as little as you like. Now let's give it a try, and it needs more. A little more onion, a little more pepper, and the mixture's not getting the job done. I really want this to be a good smooth mixture that'll stick together. So I'm going to break it up with a spoon, kind of get it like a tuna salad texture. And it seems to work. Now we're going to put these on a greased pan. We're going to shape them. I'm not sure exactly how much. I'd say maybe 1.5 tablespoons. I probably went oversized here, but you know, I like nuggets. Okay, no dinosaurs or stars. We're just gonna shape them the best we can, and then we're gonna pop them in the oven. We're doing an air fryer setting on the toaster oven, 400 degrees for 20 minutes. If you don't go so big, you should get about a dozen nuggets out of 1 can of chicken. And if you like chicken nuggets, this is a great time to smash the like button. They look a little more like cookies than nuggets, but I'm not mad about it. So here is the moment of truth. We're going to try out these keto cheesy chicken nuggets. A couple of them I turned halfway through, as some people suggested. It didn't make a huge difference, but I feel like it stuck a little bit to the pan. I should have sprayed it better, but it did give it a little bit of texture there where it stuck and then it crisped up on top again. Love the seared cheese there. But let's see what they taste like. It's good. It very much gives chicken nugget vibes. There's no crispiness. I mean, there's some texture on the outside, but it's not crispy like deep fried. But I'm wondering if the reason I love it is because it tastes like barbecue sauce. So I'm going to try one by itself. To be honest, it just tastes like chicken. It tastes like canned chicken. I put a good deal of black pepper, garlic, and onion powder. It still basically tastes like canned chicken. It's got a chicken nugget texture inside, which is good. But the outside doesn't feel like chicken nugget. It's a good treat. It's like a chicken meatball. The cheesy edge is the best part if you eat it alone. But the barbecue sauce takes it to another level. Barbecue sauce makes you think, it's similar to a chicken nugget. I want to say similar to a Wendy's chicken nugget. Heavy on the salt, similar texture inside, but no crust. I know some people suggested putting almond flour and pork skins on the outside. I ain't doing all that. It's an experiment. And I'm not keto. I don't need all that. Would I make it again? Probably not. I mean, it's canned chicken and barbecue sauce. I bet if you were keto and want something tasty to eat because you're tired of eggs and bacon and hamburger, this would be a great treat. I mean, you'd have to get sugar-free barbecue or something, but with, a little crisp, that one. With the barbecue, not bad. I'm Paul, and we're grateful for chicken and cheese and barbecue sauce that goes so well together, and we're grateful for you watching.